My name is Urmen Desai. I am a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills, California.
How soon do they get to see what they look like with their new breast implants?
They come out of surgery in a surgical bra, and they're a little bit out of it for the first few hours, and then they go to sleep. The next morning, I allow them to take a shower, and that's when the first time they take off their bra. And so that's when they really see it. But at that point, it's swollen, they're high, they just look a little bit like, I call them alien boobs. I say, you're going to have alien boobs for a few weeks, but it takes time for them to drop and settle and fall into place. So you're not going to be really ready for a month or two. I say you're like a cake in the oven. You've been baking for 5 minutes. You're going to need like a whole hour to continue to bake and cook, or like you're a fruit on the tree. You're not ripe yet. You need time to.
I like that you use feminine analogies because often I hear like car analogies with these things or the oil change. It just doesn't work with women very well.
I agree.
Yeah. Would you say that you've got it dialed in at this point in your career? Like you really understand what women want when they come to you for breast augmentation?
Absolutely. Malcolm Caldwell talks about the 10,000 hours. And I think I'm approaching that where it's like I've done it so frequently, almost mastered it. And I know every question, and I know every question that's coming, and I know how to answer everything, and I know how to deal with every complication. And and it's fun for me. It's like almost like a next level. Even with sizing, I just know with the multiple things when I see it, it's one of those things when you see it, you know it. So I think it's almost on the next level.
Do you usually know before the patient even tells you?
Almost, yeah. After asking them a few questions like, what size cup are you today? What size do you want to be? Do you like a natural look, or do you want a juicy, perky look? And what's your occupation? So how do you spend your time? What do you do for work? Those few light, delicate questions, I already know. It's going to be 300. It's going to be 450. It's going to be 600.
Where can we find you on Instagram?
My Instagram handle is @Desai Plastic Surgery, DESAI Plastic Surgery. That's where you can see most of my work and get in touch with me, slide into the DMs. Come visit Beverly Hills, California.
Links to our guest's website and contact info are in your show notes. Follow us on Instagram @WhereBeforeMeetsAfter. If you're a board-certified plastic surgeon and would like to be a guest or a sponsor of the show, go to wherebeforemeetsafter.com for more information. Where Before Meets After is a production of The Axis, the podcast agency for aesthetics. TheAxis.io.